I welcome you all to my channel Rebitech Studio. A great news is coming in. Indian Air Force has signed a deal with French Air Force to procure phased out 350 Mirage aircraft. Now question is, why are they buying the phased out Mirage aircraft? Reason is that this fighter aircraft has proven to be the best fighter aircraft squadron in the current existing fleet of the Air Force, and Air Force has planned to make it operational for longer period of time, and for that they are looking for spares and airframe. And so government has decided already to purchase the phased out aircraft from France, because French Air Force has recently phased out all of its aging Mirage 2000 aircraft from Air Force. And finally this deal was finalized on 31st of this August, right, recently, to procure 350 fighter aircraft, phased out fighter aircraft, in order to improve the spares airframe capability to help the maintenance of existing three squadrons of Mirage 2000 fighter aircraft. You may be knowing that this aircraft was basically used in the Balakot airstrike, and it has clearly targeted the all the terrorist camp very accurately. And this aircraft was basically fitted with a Thales RDY 2 radar, which basically make it a unique and 100% accurate target bombers. So it has clearly targeted with the Spice 2000 bombs right in Balakot on a specified terrorist camps, and has given a deep penetration to the Pakistan. India actually procured this aircraft from the French Air Force way back in 1980s, and from that, since then it is operational, and it has been used in various maneuvering and combat fighter practices. Particularly it was used in 1971 war as not 1971, it was used in 1999 Kargil war, and it has been recently used for surgical strike as well. So IAF has already planned, right, to continue its operation for a longer period of time, and for that spares and airframe was required. So they have gave a proposal to the government to procure the phased out Mirage aircraft from the French government. Government has signed a deal even last year, and they have got around 10 aircrafts of such kind last year at the Gwalior base. And this year on 31st of August, finally French Air Force has signed a deal to give all of its phased out fleet to the India to improve the maintenance of the existing Mirage aircraft. So this is a great news coming up. And apart from that, as we know that there's a lot of tensions are going on India Pakistan border as well as India China border. Particularly we are having a great concern right from these two fronts, and India has to be ready for any kind of attack on, particularly from these two front war. And Indian Air Force is planning and developing itself to counter any kind of misadventures right from our neighbors. And for that purpose, India has already planned to develop especially emergency airstrips in Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. So total 5 airstrips are basically planned, 2 in Kashmir, right, particularly focusing on line of control with Pakistan, and 2 in Jammu and 1 in Ladakh region, particularly focusing on line of actual control. As we know that current scenario, right, in the political front as well as from security front, India may be targeted basically from two fronts, LAC and LOC, right? And LOC, we know that it is for entire 12 months it is already heated boundary where firing is very normal, and sometimes cross firing used to be happen for a continuous period of time. Last year, you might have heard through the newspaper and through different agencies that there was reporting of continuously shelling right at these borders. So the doing shelling and cross firing is very common at LOC because there is no defined boundaries right at that particularly that area. So it is not clearly defined which side is Pakistan side and which side is Indian side. But I must say that both the sides are belong to India, because Pakistan has illegally occupied that space, right? That what we say, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and one day definitely we will free it up, and that day will definitely come soon. So it is a great news, right, that French government has agreed to give all of its aging aircraft. So as per the sources of ANI news, right, all these aircrafts will be delivered to India in a container, right? They will not come like in a flyaway condition because these are already phased out from the French Air Force. So all those aircrafts will be delivered in the container, and within the next time span of 10 years, Air Force is going to have 350 phased out Mirage aircrafts from the French, and those aircrafts will be utilized right to get the spares and airframe for the existing fleet of Mirage aircraft. And why basically, now question is why basically we are still using these Mirage aircraft even though a lot of accidents are reported right while we are flying it? Because Indian Air Force is using it because it's one of the most powerful fighter aircraft which has a capability of striking with 100% accuracy. So once you deploy the Mirage at any location, right, it can destroy any kind of enemy's misadventure. If enemy is coming in the Indian territory, they cannot go back. This kind of what we say air superiority this Mirage aircrafts used to offer. And we have already seen in Balakot airstrike, and after that what that incident was also happened, the Mirage Bison, right? This is called advanced version of the Mirage 2000, which has now capability to launch any kind of what we say laser guided bombs apart from traditional bombs. It was used by the group captain Abhinandan Singh, right, in the after the strike. So it has proven that it has strike down the F-16 aircraft. It was clearly reported, even though Pakistan has denied this news, but the reality is that it has basically bombed and dropped down the F-16 fighter aircraft in that dogfight. So it's a great news that finally we'll have at least three squadrons of Mirage 2000 to be in operation condition for a longer period of at least for next 25 years, right? We should not worry about any kind of immediate requirement of fighters, even though India has procured the Rafale aircraft, and next within 10 years, right, we are going to have around 100 plus Rafale fighters. And apart from that, already Tejas has been inducted right in the light category, light combat aircraft. Tejas has been inducted into the Air Force, and the Air Force is going to have around 30 squadrons of LCA Tejas, and followed by the frontline fighter aircraft Rafale. So total for Rafale we are going to have around 10 to 12 squadrons, right? And Mirage is already we are having existing fleet of 5 squadrons. So put together we are going to achieve the threshold value of 60 squadrons, right, for Indian Air Force. So it's a great news coming in. Right, so from the security front, India is doing very good, and we have already developed many more emergency airstrips, right? All the national highways can be used, right, as emergency landing airstrips. In the case of two front war particularly that I am talking about, it is a great possibility that the next war will have to fight two front war, and for that we must have n number of airstrips. So national highways, some of the national highways we have already identified, and we have made the specialized emergency, airstrips that can be used for that purpose. So from security front, we are doing very good. We are investing a lot of money now compared to the previous government, which was basically thinking that they should not have any problem with the neighbors. But reality is that we are under the threat from neighbors only, right? Not from the long distance, enemies. So we should be ready for any kind of circumstances, right? And India is basically doing preparation, particularly in that case. So it's a great news, friends. So for today, this much is enough. So please, if you like this video, do comment in the comment section, like and subscribe to this channel. See you all in the next video with a new fact. Till then, namaskar, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram.